Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2020 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Give you a little spec information to start with. The boat is 42 foot 6 inch overall, has a beam of 13 feet, and has a weight with engine's fuel of approximately 30,000 pounds. Starting here on the transom, as you'll see, this boat is equipped with the quad 400 Verados, so 1600 horsepower. While we're on the exterior of the boat, we'll look up at the hardtop. You'll notice you've got FLIR night vision, track vision, satellite TV, as well as open array radar. As we step into the cockpit, you've got a huge bench seat that folds up out of the way when you're ready to fish. Live well in the... We have twin refrigerators, 3 drawers for storage, in your summer kitchen area, wet bar area, electric grill, Corian countertop, all your push buttons for all your controls, fish boxes, live well, etc. When you're not using this, fold down out of the way. We move up in here behind the helm seat. The seat cantilevers opens up. You've got seating here, air conditioning, triple helm seat, controlling seats on each side. As we step up to the helm, you see we've got the triple Raymarine Axiom display, vessel view control, digital throttle and shift, joystick piloting for the 4 motors. Also, we have Mercury Active trim, which trims the motors for you. Well, now we'll step down into the cabin. As you see, we've got a table that converts when you're ready to do the berth area. Very nice accents. The blue lighting especially sets it off. Lots of room, very spacious. Nice head compartment as well. So a lot of great overnight amenities. So now we're in the bow area of the 420 Outrage. Looking back at the hardtop, it's a great view of the outriggers. And as previously mentioned, the FLIR night vision, track vision, and your open array radar and spotlight. Also a huge one-piece windshield. You've got a mid-berth area here in the bow, seating for 3. Great little storage or cooler compartment here, however you choose to use it. Storage in the floor. You also have great storage under each seat, as well as flip-up backrest when you're riding in the bow. Table converts to make a sun pad, as you see here. You also have your audio controls, your light controls, Premier audio, which includes subwoofer, multiple JL audio speakers. All the way forward, of course, we have a through-hole windlass, which you can't see from inside the boat, but with the deck lid, it creates a nice casting platform, very user-friendly. So again, I'm John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any we have in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thank you.